What's up, YouTube? Check this out. Today, we've got a church. Yesterday, this is what they sounded like.
And I've never been the same. I'm gonna climb a mountain. I'm gonna shout about it. I am a child of love. I found a world of freedom.
And now, they sound like this. I'm very happy with that, and they're going to be very happy with that too. In this video, you're going to see me try a lot of new things. I'm obviously using different headphones. I'm trying to be more accurate and more subjective with what I hear, instead of letting certain headphones sway me in certain directions. And I'm using just a better approach, I think, going a lot quieter, and I can obviously boost things up later, which I probably will. But anyway, thank you guys for being here, and if you pay attention, you might learn something. So pay attention. We have a church. This church hasn't uploaded their service from yesterday, but their service from last week is here.
And hope that's in the blood. There's future grace that's mine today, that Jesus Christ has won.
So that's cool. We might get a more recent one, but let's mix. All right, sorting montage, here we go. Okay, do it to it. We are not doing that first song. I do not like that song. That's a great song. Let's do that. And then for reference, we're just going to pull up the stream that Bethel did yesterday and see what they sounded like. With my boy Caleb and Emmy. Okay, so that kick needs to come way down. It's like way in your mouth. No thanks. Okay, let's make sure that we are hitting the level right. Yep, I heard dynamics there. That's all I really care about. Let's listen to that snare over here. Okay. Bah. Down even more, I think. And just a stupid amount of reverb. Just a stupid amount of reverb. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, these are going to be fun. Let's tune it up to try and match. I should just leave it there. It sounds good. All right. That'll work. Let's try and match the tone as much as we can. It's actually really close. Oh. What was that? The little reverberation's super goofy. I guess that actually makes sense from what I heard. Okay. All right, we're doing the best that we can here. One of these was a lot. One of the overheads is way louder than the other, like significantly, if you look here. So we need to juice up the right one and leave the left one alone. That feels pretty even. Left one might still be a little hot. Wait a minute. They're reversed. Did you hear that? It went do from right to left instead of left to right. So it's funny. I had a conversation with one of my friends recently about if you pan your drums from drummer's perspective or audience perspective, and then we were both like, it was funny. We were both like sending each other. Why did it group all three of those? No, it did. We were both sending each other links to churches. It's like, oh yeah, Bethel does it audience perspective, and he's like, oh yeah, well on Bethel's album they did it drummer perspective, and I was like, you're right. That's super weird. And so I think it's just a preference thing. I prefer audience perspective for me. No, that was right. There was a crash on the left there. That was good. Okay, cool. Whole kit. Cymbals need to come way down. Like almost nothing, basically. Cool. I think it sounds pretty good. The cymbals are still too loud compared to Bethel. And if you're wondering what I mean, listen. Can't even hear those there. They're there, but they're like genuinely the most subtle thing in the world. Let's move on. I like where that's sitting. Not too crunchy. I want to make it wide, but that's about it. I'm gonna mess with that later if I need to. Let's go acoustics. We have 2 of them. You know what? In hindsight, one of these might actually be a track. I didn't think about that. We'll find out. There's synth with this acoustic. How is there synth with this acoustic? His tone sounds really good overall, so I'm just gonna assume that he has like a pedal or something. That's all I really can assume without knowing. So we're just gonna do that. Just gonna leave that where it is. I like that. This one is much different. Much different. Right now, I'm going to try and get some of that nasally strumming out of the way. Sweet. Okay, like that. Now our golden rule, do the keys by themselves. Everything sounds really smooth so far, which is what we're going for. I honestly can't hear keys in that at all. It's not the same song, of course, but let's Let's just dial the keys down a little bit, tuck them better, so they don't compete with the drums or anything. Could even tuck the acoustics more. Okay, we'll work with that. Whoops, what did I just do? I have no idea. I just pressed a button and crazy things happened. Okay, who's leading this song? Let's find out. Looks like Vox 3.
Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. Who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? Holy
And we're going for the less reverb overall on the vocals.
Lamb of God, anointed one, who was and is to come, one who shall.
Okay. I think that's pretty fine overall. I think I want to find a different song. And then we're in like a decent spot. We crown you King of Glory. That's a cool song. D minor or F major.
We give you all the glory. You are the Lord. Oh, and worthy is the Lamb who was slain and seated on the throne.
Okay, so this sounds good, but to make the vocals smoother, we're going to pull out some low end, so there's less low end compression downstream of our chain.
There is one on the throne. It's Jesus. He's holy. And he is worthy of praise and the honor and glory.
Okay,
Worthy is the Lamb.
let's focus on Hurry Q.
Slain and seated on the throne. The Lord of all, and worthy is the Lamb who was slain and seated on the throne. There's no one like the Lord,
This is so cool. The music is awesome. It's just missing some track. Unfortunately, I might have to do the first song. I do not like that song, but I might have to. Yeah, I do not like this song, but whatever. It's a personal preference. That doesn't mean we can't make it a demo. Let's listen.
I was walking the wayside.
I think this song is in Mixolydian.
Lost on a lonely road. I was chasing a high line.
Yep, flat seventh.
Satisfy my soul. All the lies I believed in left me crying like the rain. Then I saw lightning from heaven, and I've never been the same. I'm gonna climb, try to satisfy my soul. All the lies I believed in left me crying like the rain. Then I saw lightning from heaven, and I've never been the same. I'm gonna climb a mountain, I'm gonna shout about it. I am a child of love.
And those snare hits are wimpy. Nope, that's wrong. Dang it, dude. All right, dude, what? There's gonna be some incorrect snare hits, but we need it for the dynamics.
In the flames,
I'm feeling the euphoria.
just Just when I thought it was over,
Let's turn that down a
you
little.
broke me out of the grave. I'm gonna climb a mountain and I'm gonna shout about it. I am a child of love. Oh, I found a world of freedom and I found a friend in Jesus. I am a child of love. Singing, yeah. Oh, I am a child of love. Mountain.
Bass solo, we all know. Gonna turn these cymbals up a little. Reduce the reverb on that EG slightly. A little too much low end there. I think we can call that one good. Let's take a look at the level of limiter. I'm liking that target a lot more. I am liking that target. I want to look at, let's see if these guys uploaded yet. Let's see if they uploaded their service yet. They did! Let's go! Yes, we can find it! Okay, here we go. They sounded like this.
From heaven, and I've never been the same. I'm gonna climb a mountain, I'm gonna shout about it. I am a child of love. I found a world of
And now, they sound like this.
shout about it. I am a child of love. I found a world of freedom, and I found a friend in Jesus. I am a child of love.
Let's see if we can hear their solo here. Yep. So that is quite the transformation. Pretty crazy, if you ask me. Before and after is really good. Anywho, I think that we are getting better with every single mix that we do. My favorite mix is always the last one that I touched. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope that this is inspiring. You can get an awesome mix. You just need the right tools and the right knowledge of how to apply those tools. And the right experience as well. So anyway, thank you guys. If you have not already, please like, comment, subscribe. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay awesome.